What's going on, everybody? We are doing a little construction in here. We got Dylan, we got Corey. We're putting these panels up like so. Black things out a little bit more. Corey's all noisy, trying to mess up my video.
Well, I mean,
we're working on the bricks, but we're waiting on some ingredients to get shipped in. So in the meantime, we figured we'd put this up, kind of complete the gym a little bit more. So I like it though. What y'all think? You like it?
Yes, sir.
You like it?
It's alright.
Looks alright? I think it looks good.
The black suits you well, Robert.
Yeah, buddy. So I just got, or Crystal just got done. I was there for part of it, doing like a consultation call with Allie Miller. That went really well. I'm about to throw on my running shoes and go run my 4 miles today. We lifted already this morning, had a great back workout. Tonight, we're actually taking the whole Keto Brick crew out for dinner. So we're taking them out to the steakhouse because they've been hustling. So I'm going to reward them with a good steak. So I'm looking forward to that. I ordered some red lifting straps the other day because I need some more lifting straps. They just came in the mail. They just came in the mail. Amazon Prime. Good stuff. Check this out. Red lifting straps. Now, that's what y'all define as red, right? I'm pretty sure that's red. That's red. Straight up pink, y'all. I got some pink lifting straps. What the heck? Alright, y'all, so I just left the warehouse, my uncle's warehouse. Had to pick up 2 pallets of cacao butter, but they didn't have it there because it was late getting delivered, so I had to drive to FedEx to get it. Now we're going to go meet up with the crew at Texas Roadhouse for a family dinner. Got to get some food with the crew?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm just pulling my pants down.
Got a wedgie?
Alright, hey guys, it's Bryson again, and guess what we're doing? We're at a steakhouse, more specifically Texas Roadhouse. We got the whole crew with us. We got Dylan, we got Kayla, we got Robert, DJ, Corey, Bridget, yay, where's Crystal? 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 Somewhere. She's here. We got the whole crew. We're out here celebrating because we did 9,000 coconut bricks even though we needed to do 10. But, you know, next month. What are you feeling, man?
What do you want, Dylan?
I'm getting ribeye. Since you got all the prime rib.
I'm getting 32 ounces of prime rib.
Come on, it's super easy.
Alright, we got 2 pound prime rib.
20 ounce bone in.
Oh no, it's crazy.
Woo!
Does everything look okay?
Oh yeah, everything looks good.
Got rib.
Bam, bam.
Alright, y'all, we are back from Texas Roadhouse. Had a great time with the crew. It was cool to just like, you know, step away from work, step away from making bricks, and just spend time with them at a restaurant, get some good food, and just socialize. And the reason that I did that is because when we were making the coconut cream bricks, we had a whole bunch of bricks to make in a very short amount of time because we didn't get our ingredients in until later. And I'm like, all right, y'all, we gotta just hustle on this. You just pump these out this week and have a productive launch here. If everybody works hard, then I'll treat you all to a steak dinner. And they worked hard, and we went out and had steak dinner tonight. So that was just, it was awesome. So driving home just now with Crystal, and I was talking to her, and I'm like, you know, this is what I really enjoy. I really enjoy having the opportunity to be able to just, you know, give something in return to people that help me, help the business, help grow. I like to provide an experience, and I don't know, like just taking them out to the steaks, dinner, as simple as that sounds. You know, we do cookouts here. That's an experience as well. But it's just simply providing for them, you know, giving them an opportunity to just do something outside of their norm. It means a lot to me. You know, that's something that they all appreciated and I enjoyed, and I don't know, I'm looking forward to more of those. Um, we're not perfect. They're not perfect. I'm not perfect. You know, I make mistakes as an employer, as a boss. They make mistakes as employees. And, you know, sometimes, I mean, we're human. But at the end of the day, they're all great people and they all mean well and they're all doing as best they can for, you know, the team. And we are a team, we're a family. And it's cool to interact with them, make these bricks, and then send these bricks out to y'all and have such a direct relationship with y'all. I mean, all the emails, the DMs, the Instagram messages that we get. I don't know. It's just we're all so interconnected, and it's just a cool, cool thing. I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And like I said, there's instances where I make mistakes. I'm not perfect. You know, there's instances where this business as a whole makes mistakes. Like right now, we're sold out of keto bricks, and y'all are banging on my door for keto bricks, and rightly so. There's sometimes issues with shipping. There's sometimes issues with the flavor. There's always sometimes gonna be an issue. You know, there's always gonna be an issue. But at the end of the day, we're all coming at it with the right intentions. We're all working as hard as we can to make the right thing happen. And when the pieces come together and you're working alongside people that truly do genuinely care about the business, about the team, about everything involved, and then the people that are supporting you in the community care, it's awesome. Like, this is what I live for. This is fulfillment in my eyes. That said, I'm going to shoot the bow and I'm going to go to bed. So, see y'all tomorrow.